At Phytech, we measure the daily plant stress of your crop and give you a simple indicator of their status. It helps you find the most effective way to water and reach your optimal yield by avoiding plant stress. Here's how it works. Every plant has a daily cycle. During the day, sunlight activates the process of photosynthesis, which produces carbohydrates required for fruit production. The stomata of the leaves open to allow carbon dioxide to enter, but also results in water in the leaf tissue being lost. And that's not a bad thing. As long as the plant can maintain the water supply, photosynthesis continues and it can maintain growth and fruit production. Water in the soil enters the root system and travels to the leaves through the trunk. The trunk shrinks when the rate of water lost through transpiration is higher than the rate of water taken up through the root system. These microscopic changes in the trunk diameter are monitored hourly by a Phytech plant sensor, and the size of the contraction measured is directly relative to the stress of the plant. Two factors affect the rate of shrinkage: supply and demand. The demand is primarily governed by atmospheric conditions. Higher temperatures result in higher demand, and lower temperatures result in lower demand. At the other end of the system, the supply is primarily related to the availability of water in the soil. A reduction in soil moisture reduces the supply available to the plant. But too much water can trigger plant shock, leading to a reduction in the photosynthesis process. At night, the leaf stomata close, photosynthesis ceases along with transpiration. However, the plant continues to draw soil moisture through the root system to replace the store in the plant tissue of the trunk and branches. The Phytech plant sensor monitors the recovery to ensure the plant finishes the day better than it started. Sunrise comes around and the daily contraction and expansion start again. For most crops, waiting for the visual plant stress cues of leaf wilt is too late. Recovery can take many days, if at all, during which plant growth and fruit production are limited. The negative effect on perennial crops can also be carried over to subsequent seasons, resulting in reduced yield potential. The Phytech service includes hardware deployment, data transfer, and automated analysis. We use crop-specific algorithms to determine the plant status and deliver a simple indicator to your web browser and smartphone. Our additional services include irrigation monitoring, evapotranspiration forecasts, and irrigation prediction tools. Now, you can simply see a map of your crops and know which plots need your attention. You can protect your plants from stress and optimize their production and yield.